In this video, I will show you how to turn off your Twitter or X sensitive content setting. First, you need to log into your account using either Google Chrome on Android or Safari if you are using iOS. Search on Google for X. Then, tap on the Login hyperlink. From there, go ahead and sign in to your account here. Once you are in your account, tap on the profile icon on the top right corner. Then look for Settings and Privacy. Select that option. Then, select Privacy and Safety. Tap on Content You See. Make sure the display media that may contain sensitive content is unchecked. Then, go to Search Settings and make sure both options are checked. After that, you can close your browser, reset the app, and log out of your Twitter account. This will ensure the new settings will take place. That is it.